My name is Angela Dawood. We have 4 kids, large house, and we have a pool. It was necessary. We needed to see how we could use the sun to help our electricity bill because it was getting really high. When my husband and I considered solar, we asked 4 different companies, and my husband was pretty gung-ho on going with the first one, and then he didn't like what they came back with. And so there he's like, no, we've got to do our research a little, and that's why we found Semper Solaris. They gave them a price and they didn't really budge, and it was like that from beginning to end, and they were legit, so we went with them. I was kind of worried when my husband's like, oh yeah, they're coming tomorrow and they said they're gonna get it done in 2 days. And I was like, there's no way. My friend just got solar and it took like a week and all she would do was complain. And really, it did take 2 days and they were done. The team members with Semper Solaris were excellent. They were so nice and always very courteous, clean, and they came, they did their job, they didn't bug anyone. It was great. I anticipate instead of paying $600 a month for our energy bill, maybe pay like not even like an eighth of that. I recommend it to everyone in my family, my neighbors, and I'm gonna keep that sign out in my front yard forever, and I will always have your back because you guys are awesome.